Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Company t-shirt is not just a piece of clothing. It's a statement, a fusion of cultures, passions, and craftsmanship, crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Our t-shirt embodies the essence of anime, the spirit of adventure, and the thrill of the open road. At Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Co., we understand the allure of anime culture. It's more than just a genre, it's a lifestyle. Our t-shirt celebrates this vibrant subculture, featuring a captivating design that showcases a dynamic anime girl wielding a kunai while riding a motorcycle. It's a bold expression of individuality, rebellion, and a love for all things anime. But our t-shirt is more than just a striking design. We believe in quality, which is why we use only the finest materials. Made from 100% cotton, our t-shirt is soft, comfortable, and built to last. Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Company t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Company t-shirt, Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Company hoodie, Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Co. V-neck, Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Company tank top, Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Company sweater. Whether you're lounging at home, hitting the streets, or attending your favorite anime convention, our t-shirt will keep you feeling cool and stylish all day long. What sets us apart is not just our commitment to quality but also our dedication to craftsmanship. Every Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Company t-shirt is proudly manufactured in the United States, ensuring the highest standards of production and ethical labor practices. From the initial design concept to the final stitch, each t-shirt is crafted with passion and precision by skilled artisans who share our love for anime and attention to detail. So whether you're a seasoned anime enthusiast, a motorcycle aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates unique and high-quality apparel, our Anime Girl Kunai Motorcycle Company t-shirt is sure to make a statement wherever you go. Join us in celebrating the intersection of anime, adventure, and style with a t-shirt that embodies the spirit of the open road and the thrill of the unknown. Other product.